Olaf's coming close. Come here, baby. Olaf, come. Olaf. Come here, bud. Good boy. Good job. Watch out for Ron. He's getting precariously close. And here comes Hermione, too. And Olaf. Woo! Nice.
Go, Tina.
Pan down to what our... Why is this so scary?
Don't show my mom what you're doing.
That is a ladder on the table. And kids reading a book.
We did it. We installed the ceiling fan. Here we go. Whee! So, I called Pacific Yurt's customer service, who's always super nice and helpful. I always talk to Pete. And my thought was that in the winter, we would want to run the fan blowing down, and he agreed with that. He said that they found that in the winter they like blowing down because hot air makes its way up to the dome and you want to circulate it. And then he actually said that in the summer you would want to reverse the fan and run it up, because then you crack the dome and are trying to get hot air out and you don't want to fight against that. So that makes sense to me. And there was still condensation up there. We did the weather stripping yesterday, and I didn't notice a significant difference in the amount of condensation up there. So bummer that it didn't reduce it, but good to know that, you know, it's a good seal up there. It's just that, you know, warm warm, moist air from inside meets cold plexiglass from the dome, and that creates condensation. So I talked about moisture and condensation with Pete at Pacific Yurts as well, and he gave me some ideas about when to vent the dome, meaning open the dome even in the cold winter. Certain times like shower time and cooking time, vent out that stuff and then close it up again.
And as a family, we can do, all 4 of us will take our showers in quick succession, just kind of get it done, have it vented, and then be able to close it up. So we'll be smart about how we organize our day and stuff.
And we're committed to running our dehumidifier pretty much all the time. That's right here. It has a little readout, and it's at about 54% humidity right now. The target is to get to 50% or below. It's pretty hard for us to actually get to 50% right now, but the closer the better.
With the dehumidifier, we've been keeping it between 50 and 60 most of the time.
Yeah. And I'm not that worried about it. I don't think I could look up exactly how much power the dehumidifier uses. I would guess it's not costing us more than $5 or $10 a month in power use, and if using the dehumidifier makes the difference between getting some mold in this yurt or not, of course it's a no-brainer to run the dehumidifier.
Yeah.
So what else have we been doing? We've been doing a bunch of different stuff. I've been working on the road, and we need gravel now, but I wanted to work on the road. We've got tons of rain coming, 3 or 4 inches in the course of a week. And so I've been working on the road. The goats are doing great. They're really clearing out that spot near the creek. The kids are doing good. Tina and the baby are doing good. The midwife was just here today and everything's good. What else have we been doing? Olaf messed up a few times and broke into the chicken yard to try to eat their scraps and stuff. Yeah, so Olaf got in trouble a few times for breaking into the chicken coop area, but he hasn't done it again. I was really stressed out about it, like, man, is this dog gonna work out for us or not? But hopefully he figures it out. I also tried, I'm feeding him more in the morning so that because I think he just can't control, he's such just an empty stomach, and smelling food just drives him crazy. So maybe a fuller belly in the morning, and then I feed him a little bit less at night, because he just goes to bed after I feed him at night. So maybe that's helping. The dogs and goats are doing good outside, and yeah, we're gonna build a mantle over at the fireplace, just kind of a wooden shelf. And part of that means we have to unstack and restack all the rocks to make sure we do it right and it looks nice. So the wood stove project has been a long one, but it's going fine. It's just we want to get it just right so that it looks really good. So I probably said it a few videos in a row that I'm gonna make a video just about the wood stove, but we've been tinkering with it for going on a month now probably. So that's what we've been doing. Things are going good, and yeah, we'll just be kind of sheltering from the rain for the next week or so, and seeing if our road turns to mud or if it holds up pretty well. All right, that's it. Thanks. Bye.
High and 5. High and 5. High and 5. Aria's mine. Aria's mine. Aria's mine.